What are you guys working on?
Good luck keeping the shirt clean in this place.
Oh, okay. When are you going to finish this?
These orders won't feel themselves.
When are you going to finish working on that?
We work again.
You need to hurry up.
We can do it.
Hurry up and get that done.
Don't worry, it will get done.
Okay, good.
We've got orders to fill. Better not get any closer. Red, old red.
Are you guys having fun here today?
For the poor boy. For the poor movers.
Well, it's good to see you.
That makes no sense.
You too.
Below product, much better than fun. I will get it together. Yeah, I'm on it. Brother, biga ba nila? Uh-oh. Whatever you say. Kado Jibo, get the power. I'm gonna take care of that. That's not the way that's supposed to work. Okay, we are in bed. I should have stayed home. We ready, boy? Papa, okay. Udo, what are you waiting for? Fix it. Abobo, you know what is Papa says there. Gummy, we can do. Udo, get repair them before end of CPU2. Abobo, got it. Not anything on. Podemos dar, armas. Adobe is the best droid in Galaxy. What you do? Great. Hey, respect your elder. Somebody's friend. Okay. Babu, not me. Hey, wanna overdrive? Not, I know. Fun. Yeah, broken something? Good. Hey, getting briefly. Nice, I noticed. Make sure to enough you got. Hey, see if I'm broken? Nah, keep focus ka do. Sorry, tawli. Udo, what are you waiting for? Fix it. Abobo, guys, do this. Easy, do this. Abobo, let us work. Dad, you too, wow. Dad, you leave me. Nice. Got me, come on.